So the best practices for writing game instructions, let's basically just think of this as the rule book. And for a rule book, it's like the old adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Pictures, diagrams, super important. I've seen a lot of rule books where it just tells you how to set up the game, and it's all in words. And it's referring to components as, oh, this is like what the card is called. And so you have to flip back, you have to find out what it is and go back to the text. So pictures worth 1,000 words saves a lot of time. Then make sure the structure of your rulebook flows very smoothly. Usually want to start with components and the idea of the game, then talk about setup and then starting moves, starting actions. And then at the end, you can break down more specifics like tiebreakers, how combat actually works, maybe some edge cases, and finally how the game ends. Once you're done making your rules and you've spell checked it, sent it to multiple people, that's not the end of it. Send it to even more people. So something in the industry is called blind playtesting, where you don't know the other person, they don't really know you, they don't know your creation process, and you ship them out the game and they play it 1 or 2 times and then they get back to you. So then they can fully tell you what it's like for the consumer experience to buy your game, unbox it, play it, and see how it's like. So that can really, really smooth out those wrinkles in the process because you don't want your game to be sold to people and they don't play it. Very important for everything to be very clear and concise.